Namaste everyone. In this video I am going to discuss few more questions of exponents. And here my first question is, express the following rational numbers with positive exponents. Remember, you have to express as positive exponents. And here the first part is 3 upon 2 whole raised to power minus 4. Remember, the power is negative. So, to convert this power into positive exponent, we have to take reciprocal of the base, that is 2 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 upon 2, and now the power will become positive, so the power is 4. In second question we have to simplify first. 3 raised to power minus 3 whole raised to power 2 is there, so when power raised to power is there, the powers will be multiplied. So minus 3 will be multiplied with 2, base as it is, and the power will be minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 3 raised to power minus 6. Now we have to convert into positive exponent. So the denominator of base is nothing, you can put 1, and the reciprocal of 3 upon 1 will be 1 upon 3. Now the power will become positive, so it is 6. Same in the next part we have, the bases are same and the powers will be plus, because multiplication is there, so base as it is and the power will be 2 plus minus 3. So 2 plus minus 3 will be 7 raised to power minus 1. 7 inverse means the reciprocal of 7, that is 1 upon 7 raised to power 1, can be written as 1 upon 7. Here again power raised to power you have, the powers will be multiply the base as it is 5 upon 8, and the powers will be minus 2 into 3, which is equals to minus 6. Now convert it into positive exponent. Take reciprocal of the base, it will be 8 upon 5 whole raised to power 6 now. So which is your required answer. Next part you have to try yourself. Use formulas of exponents and first of all simplify it, then write as positive exponent. Next is 8 raised to power 3 divided by 8 raised to power 5 and whole multiply by 8 raised to power minus 4. So first of all simplify inside the brackets. Bases are same, the powers will be minus because divide is there. So 8 raised to power 3 minus 5 whole multiply by 8 raised to power minus 4. This will be equals to 8 raised to power 3 minus 5 minus 2 whole multiply by 8 raised to power minus 4 as it is. So bases are same, powers will be plus. So this will be equal to 8 raised to power minus 2 plus minus 4, which is equals to, both are negative, will be plus with each other. So this is equals to 8 raised to power minus 6. Convert it into positive exponent. The denominator of base is nothing, you can put 1, and the reciprocal is 1 upon 8 raised to power 6 now. So this is your required answer. Let us see one more such question, that is express the following as rational numbers with negative exponents. It is same like previous question, and the first part is 1 upon 7 raised to power 5. Here the power is positive, we have to convert it negative. So first of all take reciprocal of base, that is 7 upon 1, and now the power will become negative, so raised to power minus 5, and this will be equals to 7 raised to power minus 5 because 1 divided by 7 is same. In second, power raised to power is there, so first simplify it. It will become 3 raised to power 2 into 9. which is equal to 3 raised to power 18. Now convert into negative exponent. So 3 is there in the base, you can put 1 in the denominator, and then you have to take reciprocal. So the answer will be 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 18. In next part, bases are same, multiplies there, powers will be plus. So here 5 raised to power 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5 raised to power 5. So like previous question, here you have to take reciprocal of 5, that is 1 upon 5, and now the power is minus 5. So this is your required answer. Next you have to try yourself. Simplify like second part and then represent as negative exponent. In the next part, again bases are same, powers will be minus. So it will be 5 upon 7 whole raised to power 3 minus 2, which is equals to 5 upon 7 whole raised to power 3 minus 2 is 1. So the reciprocal will be 7 upon 5, because remember the power must be negative. So now the power will be minus 1. Now the last part is 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power 5 and whole multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. So it is 2 raised to power 6 minus 5. Bases are same, powers will be minus, multiply by 2 raised to power 2 as it is. So 2 raised to power 6 minus 5 is 1, multiply by 2 raised to power 2 as it is. Again bases are same, multiplication is there, powers will be plus. So 2 plus 1, 3. Now you have to represent as negative exponent. So take the reciprocal of 2, will be 1 upon 2 and whole raised to power minus 3 now. This is your required answer. Now let us see few more properties of exponents. If x comma y are any rational numbers, and the power m is an integer, then the first property is x raised to power m multiplied by y raised to power m can be written as x multiplied by y. Means the power is same, now bases are different, so power can be taken common. So it is x into y whole raised to power m. Same in divide also. If x raised to power m upon y raised to power m is there, this can be written as x upon y whole raised to power m. But remember, in second property y must not be equal to 0, means denominator must not be equal to 0, because if denominator is 0, it is not a rational number. And we will apply these two properties now to simplify few more questions. And our first question is simplify and its first part is 4 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power minus 4. Now let us see how we can simplify it. So you can see 5 raised to power minus 4 is there. So 4 raised to power 4 as it is, multiply by, to make it positive you can take reciprocal, so it will become 1 upon 5 raised to power 4. Now the powers are same. Use first property and take power as a common, so it will become 4 multiplied by 1 upon 5, and the power can be taken as common, so power will be 4. So 4 multiplied by 1 upon 5 is 4 upon 5 whole raised to power 4. Now power 4 is there, so multiply it 4 times. So 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5 multiply by 4 upon 5. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64 and 4 ja 256 upon 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125, 5 ja 625. 256 upon 625 is your required answer. Let us simplify one more question, that is 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3 whole raised to power 2. So power is same again, take it common. 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3 whole raised to power 2. Use first property. So 2 can be written as 2 upon 1, and now multiply numerator with numerator. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and 3 ones are 3, denominator with denominator, and whole raised to power 2 is there. So multiply 2 times, minus 2 upon 3 into minus 2 upon 3. Negative negative will become positive, and 2 2s are 4 upon 3 3s are 9. 2 times minus is there, will be plus. So 4 upon 9 is your required answer. Let us simplify one more question, that is minus 5 upon 6 whole raised to power 4 divided by minus 7 upon 6 whole raised to power 4. The powers are same again. You can take it common, use the second property, divide is there. So minus 5 upon 6 divided by minus 7 upon 6 whole raised to power 4. This will be equals to minus 5 upon 6. You know how to divide the rational numbers. So minus 5 upon 6 as it is, change divide into multiply and take reciprocal of the divisor, that is minus 6 upon 7 whole raised to power 4. 6 1 ja 6 minus 1. Now simplify, minus 5 into minus 1 is 5 upon 7 1 ja 7 whole raised to power 4. Multiply it 4 times, 5 upon 7 multiply by 5 upon 7 multiply by 5 upon 7 multiply by 5 upon 7. Now simplify it, 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125, 5s are 625 whole upon 7 7 are 49, 7 are 343, 7s are 2401. So 625 upon 2401 is your required answer. Thank you and keep smiling.